So things started to change about 8 years ago, and I had a very bad cough, and it was when I started to have to stay up all night and sit upright. I knew something was wrong. So I went to an ENT doctor. He wasn't really sure what was wrong. He thought it was a virus. I went to another ENT doctor, and he provided me with antibiotics, and he was worried about the inflammation. I went back to him 10 days later and had no relief. No relief from the cough. But I had been coughing so much that I paralyzed a vocal cord, and my voice started to change. I didn't sound like this before. So the coughing and not being able to sleep really affected my job. For work, I was pediatric intensive care nurse. I also worked in neonatal intensive care and general pediatrics, and I loved it. And I was tired at work, and I was really worried that I would make a mistake. I was worried that I had something infectious, even though they told me I didn't. And again, my colleagues weren't worried about me, but some of the doctors were. And finally, I had to take like a week off to see if I could just regroup from coughing. I didn't. I live in Boston, it's a medical mecca, and I couldn't find a doctor. I know how to navigate the medical system, and I could not find out what was wrong for like 3 or 4 years. So I went to one more ENT doctor, and he did an MRI, he did a CAT scan, I had a biopsy of my lung, and he did an endoscopy to see if there was anything wrong. He couldn't find anything. So he put me on more drugs that were unhelpful. And he said, I know a guy in Boston. He was my mentor when I was a resident. And he studies this. And I think he treats patients. So I called him, and I got an appointment within 2 days. And he said, you cough day and night, and you don't get any relief, and you're sleep deprived, and you've probably stopped doing some things that you love to do. I was like, yes, 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 yes. Since I got my RCC diagnosis, I was depressed. I was pretty depressed. One of the things that happened is, because I was so depressed, I stopped doing my photography. That's never happened to me before. It was 2 years before I picked up my camera. 2 years. And I really had no joy at work, and I cried for probably 1.5 years every night. I was really surprised that my mental health was affected by having RCC. I thought, it's a cough. That was my take on it, it's a cough. But it was continuous, all day, all night, and I was still surprised. And I was surprised to the degree that it affected me. Education around RCC could really be tremendously helpful to break the barrier. I had no knowledge of it, and I work in healthcare, and I think by my sharing my story, even if it could help one more person, and they got help, then there would be a ripple effect. But education is a really big necessity.